for getting me 5,000 views and around 100 likes. We dropped a banger video of the coffin prank, but a compilation, so y'all enjoy the coffin prank. Coffin prank part 6. Part 4!
Andrew, stop.
Andrew, help me get back to Simon.
2. Part 5.
Dude, you're so bad at
You gotta get close. 8. Go. It's a compilation. Oh no. Go, Jackson. It's a compilation. Bring it here.
Oh my god, my throat hurts.
Okay, just